First, leave a like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't leave a like and subscribe, it means you don't love your parents. The Andean Condor, Vultur gryphus, is the largest flying bird in the world by combined weight and wingspan. It has a wingspan that can reach up to 10.5 feet, 3.2 meters, allowing it to soar effortlessly on air currents. Found primarily in the Andes Mountains of South America, this bird is a scavenger, feeding mostly on carrion. It plays an important ecological role by helping to clean up dead animals. Andean condors can live up to 50 years in the wild, and they are considered vulnerable due to habitat loss and poaching.